This is going to be a little hard to show you, but I'm going to try. This is the area that you have to watch. This lifts up on the half hour and it drops into the first notch. And on the full hour it lifts all the way up and this thing drops down further. Now see if I could show this to you. Man, my hand's in the way. That might work. That's the full hour. And the half hour. Just drops into that first notch. And there's the easiest way, if it's just off a little bit, is you take this lever right here, this little black lever right there, and you bend it away a little bit so it drops into the notch. Have fun.